Okay, class, you look at this question, yeah? So you look at this question, the first thing here is, this is actually a demand function here. Okay, so the TC is total cost. Write down the expression for average cost. So this one will be no problem. This one is total cost. So average cost is total cost divided by the quantity. Okay, so 3200 plus 0.1 q power of 3 divided by q. So your answer will be 3200 divided by q plus 0.1 q power of 2. Okay, so this is the average cost. Then the second one mentioned about the marginal cost. So marginal cost, I believe that you know how to do it, right? So this is no q here. You need to differentiate the q. So this is power of 3. 3 pindah ke depan, 3 times 0.1 is 0.3 q power of 2. Okay, then the c. So this, you having a problem of C, whereby to find out what is a total revenue, is to find out the total revenue. But the problem here is, total revenue, as you know, that is the price times quantity. Revenue equals to price times quantity. But the problem here is, this one is the demand function. This one is not the price function or anything. Okay, that's why you need to make this one as a price function. How do you make it? 60q equals to 12,000 minus 3p. Okay, so you have to move it one by one. Okay, so 60q minus 12,000 divided by negative 3 equals to your p. Okay, so from here I believe that you know how to make it right. So 20q 4,000, so equals to p. So this is your price function. So the revenue equals to price times quantity, whereby which is 20q minus 4,000 q, which is 20q power of 2 minus 4,000 q. Okay, so this one is the revenue. Then after that, you need to find out the marginal revenue here. I believe that you know how to do, right? Then the profit, you still remember the profit formula? Profit is total revenue function minus the total cost function. That one is profit. Okay, then determine the value of Q which total revenue is maximum. When total revenue is maximum, meaning to say that when the total revenue here mentioned about total revenue is maximum, meaning to say that the marginal revenue is equal to 0. Okay, total revenue maximum, meaning to say that the marginal revenue here equal to 0. So find out what is the value of X. Determine the value of Q which profit is maximum. So we mentioned about the profit is maximum, meaning to say that the marginal profit is equal to 0. Okay, meaning to say that the marginal profit is equal to 0. So I believe that when you look at the question again and again, you can see that the question more or less the same. It's just that there are a few formula whereby you need to remember. Okay, you need to remember. Okay, that's it from me. If you have any question, kindly post in the WhatsApp group. Okay, don't be shy, yeah?